Hey everybody, it's Eddie J on crypto. Hope you're having a great day. So we got the jobs numbers back yesterday, and jobs dropped by about 1.1 million. Bad news, but actually good news. Says that the economy is, not as hot as it was, starting to slow down. Says that the right moves could be being felt with regard to inflation. More importantly, nothing to do with inflation directly. OPEC and Russia got together. OPEC loves Russia, and they've decided to cut oil production by 2 billion barrels a day. Obviously, the stock market is taking a major hit right now. We'll look at the numbers, but I'm expecting the cryptoverse to also take a hit. Yep, everything's gone red. Gas prices are gonna skyrocket, like in a heartbeat. China is about to open up. That's going to increase pressure, upward pressure on energy prices. So it's going to just truly explode. And that's not good. It's not good considering how many companies are also pushing their employees to come back to the office. Gas prices like this are going to stop people from wanting to go even more. It's just too much. So those things happen, and they're not good. Not good at all. We'll pile into the rest of the good news that's out there. So all the gains that we saw starting yesterday, expect them to take a dive today. Just expect it. Fidelity announced a new Ethereum index fund. It's a small fund, about 5 mil. Started selling on September 26th, I believe, as per the papers that were filed yesterday. But here's what's really interesting. Fidelity, BlackRock, all of the big, financial institutions that are out there have been diving headfirst into crypto. Headfirst. And the reason why is because it is huge. It's huge. Fidelity making this move says that more is coming. They're making a very concerted approach to getting into crypto. Now imagine all of their retail investors that are with Fidelity and them flipping over or at least being introduced to crypto as investments. And at some point being introduced to crypto not just as investments. Again, big things coming. All right. Crypto is going to become a part of the financial fabric of the world. And the world is still figuring out, one, do they want it as a part of the fabric? They're not going to be able to not get it. And at some point, they're going to have to stop fighting it. But, do they want it? Whether they want it or not, how do they deal with it? How do they regulate it? All that good stuff. You can only squeeze but so much. And with everything that's going on, you could look at the United States and you just go, wow, taking a really long time, guys. Taking a really long time. Other countries are already there. Already there. Jay Clayton, the former chairman of the SEC, says, listen, low-lying fruit, regulate stablecoins. Regulate stablecoins. Now think about the impact of stablecoins, right? Pegged to whatever fiat. In this case, the United States dollar. Imagine what that would do. You're better setting the stage for your CBDC yes or no decision, and then how it would work, and then what would it do? All those different things. Everything again that the United States is running late on. Hopefully, they'll wake the hell up. You have Musk, who's now saying, "Oh, all right, fine. I'll buy Twitter at the original price." Yeah, right, dude. Whatever. The only thing I care about is if Twitter gets sold to Musk, Doge is going to skyrocket. No doubt about it. Unless you've been living under a rock, that's what's going to happen. There are so many use cases for Doge on that platform. It's ridiculous. From identity to, using it, for identity, using it for payments, all that stuff. There's just too much going on that platform for Doge not to skyrocket. And I don't think it would be, a blip. I think it would go up, sustain, and reach brand new levels. That's what I'm thinking. Now, that would be good because maybe that pulls the rest of the sector up, right? That could be a good thing. 1inch, they are an aggregation protocol, right, to move across exchanges. They have partnered with Unstoppable Domains specifically, and probably for other things as well, but because Unstoppable Domains is a great tool for digital identity management. So imagine all the transactions that happen on 1inch, right? And you don't have to memorize addresses or anything else like that. Go searching for them, go searching for QR codes. You'd be able to say, I'm going to go pay eddyj.eth. Boom. Here are the currencies you'd be able to pay me in. Ethereum, Matic, BTC. Here they are. Yeah. That's a very big deal. And if you just explode that idea out just a little bit, just a hair, you can see how cool that would be. So yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot going on. There are huge macro events going on. Again, you've got OPEC and Russia decreasing oil production. You've got China about to open up. You have jobs numbers that took a dive. You have all of these macro events. And here is the kicker. I really do think Fed Chair Powell is poised to pause because you have several macro events that are going on simultaneously, right? That can have a bigger impact than rate increases. So the timing of the note that they received from the United Nations says, hey, cut it out with the rate hikes. They might be forced to cut it out because of the energy effect that's going on right now. Those are huge macro events. Huge. With big ramifications. Now, let's get to the numbers because they're not going to look good. They're not going to look good at all. So we already know about this stuff. We can close that. The Fear and Greed Index, 25. I'm expecting it to go down to 20 tomorrow. With the energy problem now, I'm expecting 20. Yeah, Bitcoin is already starting to look low. You can see it right here. Still operating within my inner band, which is, identified by the green areas, right? But I think it's going to start coming down. Already it was above 20. Now it's dipping into the 19s. I think that effect is going to continue to happen. Unless people get smart and say, well, okay, I'm not going to hold, my money in fiat. I'm going to flip over to crypto. That would be smart. At least that's what I'm doing. I don't give financial advice. I'm telling you what me and my kids are doing with certain, I would say, percentages of our money. And as you can see, yep, everything is going red. And I'm expecting everything to go a deep flipping red in a very little while. Okay? So prepare thyself. To me, I wasn't expecting any good news from that meeting, between Russia and OPEC. What I'm expecting now is we're going to hit some lows. I want to see how low it goes. And maybe it's another DCA opportunity for me because I haven't bought in this week. I was waiting. I told you on Monday that we're going to start getting numbers this week that mean something. That's why I was waiting. So XRP at 48, that's a really good number. That's a really good number. Again, I'm still expecting everybody to take a dive a bit. Matic is at 83 from, I think, 77 a couple of days ago. I'm expecting it to take a hit. I'm expecting everybody to take a hit. How deep of a hit is what I'm interested in. A lot of these coins, like XRP, Matic, they've been sneaking up. Even BTC, sneaking up, right? How hard is that hit going to be? That's what I'm interested in seeing. If you just want to look across the board, you can, like I said, you can start to see everybody taking that downward momentum right now, right? That's we have to see what else is going on. We do have more numbers coming out later this week, so we'll see. We will see. Anyway, this is Eddie J on crypto. I hope you have a great day. If you like what I'm doing and like the journey my kids and I are on, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and absolutely hit the notification bell so that you know every single time I drop a new video. Also, don't forget to tell your friends. Have a good one. Bye-bye.